In today's free tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add text in Adobe Premiere Pro completely for free in less than 2 minutes. Let's get right into it. On your keyboard, you want to click T to activate the text tool, and then you want to click and hold on the screen, as you can see. And now we can type in whatever it is that we want. As you can see, we have text on the screen, but if you want the text to fit completely, as we see, there's text that goes a little to the right. You can click and click enter, or you can highlight everything and then go under to effects control, and under text you can click the drop down arrow, and as you can see, you can scale or adjust the text, and you can mess around. You can flush it to the center, flush to the left. You can change the different text as far as fonts, and if you scroll down as well, you can see you can even change the appearance of the text. You can add a stroke or a background. In this case, let's make this yellow, and you can adjust how thick or width of the stroke is. As you can see, it's now color yellow. Make this color black. You can even choose to add a background to your text. You can add a shadow. You can add other adjustments right here with more settings, and as you can see, that's what we have. If you want to see more videos like this, drop this video a like, comment down below, share the video, and follow for more.